anything that we want to do. And thirdly, if you are having any difficulty forming big sentences, that you can change by, first making short sentences, 2 to 3 short sentences, and then try to join them together. So
Okay.
instead of forming a big sentence, you can
Hmm.
just make
Make
short
small.
sentences, yeah,
Hmm.
small sentences, and then join them together.
Yeah. Good morning.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Okay. So can you introduce yourself in few lines?
I am Rashmi Singh and I hail from UP. I am a teacher by profession.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
and I'm mother to 2 kids as well.
okay, so you're a teacher. So what are the subjects that you teach?
I teach biology.
Okay. In any school or?
It's a college.
Okay, that's great. So I see that you are a YouTube learner. So you have a
Yeah.
channel. Would you like to talk about it?
Please repeat your question as there's some audio issue because I think the
Okay.
internet is not that great at my side. Yeah.
Okay. I asked that I see that you're a YouTube learner, so you might have a channel. So would you like to talk a few things about it or tell me about your channel?
Yeah. Um, my YouTube handle is Math3 English, and till now I have more than almost 9,000 subscribers or more than
Oh
9,000.
wow, that's amazing.
And I am just working on my YouTube like seriously from last 3 months. And initially I was just confined to like solo videos and sharing some shorts and these like English learning videos. But
Okay.
like for since 3 months are I am just uploading those collaboration videos. So they are
Okay.
getting more views in comparison to when I was just posting my solo videos. So I think when you interact with people, then you are not limiting to your thoughts only, and that is the time when
Right.
you have the others ideas as well, and you also grow somehow. So I really find it interesting for me and good for me.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Rashmi, I would like to ask you one thing, that if I were to start my YouTube channel, for example,
Hmm.
okay, right? So what is that one piece of advice that you would like to give me in order to, for my channel, if I
Uh,
were to start it?
okay, so I would say don't think about it, just start it because there are
Okay.
so many things you will learn step by step. It's not
Okay.
like you can learn everything in one day. It's a
Okay.
process, and it would be better uh, as soon as you start your channel because that is the only thing we learn by doing something. Until unless you are
Okay.
not doing anything, you learn reading and you're just listening from others, you're hearing from others. That is not going to work. It's like you start it first. You just think about what should be my niche. Like I am posting my videos on English learning, English improving, spoken English. So it's very important to have a niche and then what you are comfortable with, and then start immediately. Then things will what to say happen by itself. How to do
Okay.
it better.
So do you want to talk to me about your favorite video, a video that got the most number of views as of now or likes?
I would say there are a few shorts, like there are like more than 10 lakh views, but these are the only shorts. But I would say one of the collaboration video with the Rajni Verma. She is also a YouTuber. That was quite viral. I would not say that
Okay.
is viral, but yeah, because I didn't get uh, the views more than 1,000 before that for my collaboration sessions, but for that I have more than 4,000 views. So for me, it is viral. So yeah, I'm really happy. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you said that you are working like you're a teacher. So tell me, how are you like managing, how are you juggling your work life and your family life at the same time? What does your daily life or daily routine look like to
Yeah, it's
yourself?
not that, first of all, I would just like to mention it. It's not that easy.
Yeah.
It's really difficult. It's a challenging task for me. And initially, I was like, I post every day a single video. But for last 2 months, I had just uh, changed my path. I just what doing? I am just posting videos on alternate days and trying to post a short every day. So because I have so much workload, because I'm mother to two kids as well, the family responsibilities are also on me. I also I'm a teacher, so I have to do a lot of things in college, and I have classes, lectures as well, practicals as well. So it's very difficult for me. But yeah, I would say if you plan something, if and then you schedule your whole day, and then
Yeah.
you just try to not idealize, at least on a real sense, you're just trying to follow it. It is possible to do things for you as well, because I think it's for my own growth. So I just giving my 100%, and I just want to improve my English as well. Also, I just want to help those who are like me and who are looking for some platform where they can learn.
Yeah.
So these are the these are the motivations which uh, like I am just proceeding it, and it is leading my path, I would say.
Okay. So would you like, can you say that you have any time for hobbies, or is it just work and family? That's all.
Initially, it was for my students because they were so weak in English. So I just started for them. You just watch it, and I'm just making it for you because I'm a biology teacher. So English was nowhere for me. And
Uh,
because in the class, when you are speaking, it's not that difficult because we all are expert in our subjects. So quite easy. But when it comes to like in general talking and you are on the podium, then I have always do the extra effort to deliver everything. So then I found why not to improve English as well. Along with my students, I'm also learning this language.
okay. So how was your journey like? Like, since when did you actually take it seriously, or you're like, I have to improve my English? What was your journey like?
Yeah, it was like from I am a Hindi medium student, and till 12th class. So English was just a subject, but somehow I was passionate about English. I found this language like, oh my God, the way it connects the people, the way it sounds. I really love it, and I really love to read my English storybooks, like textbooks, and watching celebrities and cricket stars to deliver their speeches in English. It's quite interesting for me. So after that, since BSc and MSc PhD, all my education, I was in English medium because all the textbooks were in English. So the reading, writing, understanding was not a problem for me. But when it comes to speaking, we all in the class just speak in Hindi, and with our professors, we speak in Hindi. Sometimes in the class, we just try to keep bilingual. So I didn't know actually I'm that bad in English because sometimes I didn't get that opportunity to hold a conversation for 30 minutes, for 20 minutes. It was like
Okay.
when I'm not getting a word in English, I just switch to Hindi, and that was easy for me. But when it I realized, oh my God, it's a problem. Even I want to improve because if I
Yeah.
just wanted to deliver something, it was not possible at one point of my time to deliver like smoothly and what to say. You are not just putting much effort,
Right.
effortlessly. English is coming out of me, so that's why I just thought, why not to start it now? Because I
Yeah.
didn't get understand the importance in the beginning of my life. I was like, first I have to just get a job. So it was not in my mind, but
Right.
now I understand.
So do you like traveling? Do you like cooking? Anything you want to share about yourself?
Do you traveling?
Traveling or cooking, anything that you would like
Like
to
my
share?
hobbies. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So I, in my free time, I really fond of listening to music and reading books. So I'm not
Okay.
very fond of cooking, but sometimes for my kids, If they just demand me, Mama, cook this, cook that, then I really cook for them and for myself as well. And I love to make coffee for me. So coffee is always my favorite.
Okay.
And reading is, I would say, is quite close to my heart. And sometimes we just try to try to have some, go or visit some places to travel. Like in 1 year, we just try to go at least 2 places. So this year also we are planning to go to Kerala.
All right. That's a
Maybe
beautiful place.
December. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a beautiful one. Yeah.
Okay. So what is the last place that you visited?
It was Andaman and Nicobar
Oh, do you
in
like it?
2025 December. Andaman. It's a beautiful place, and it was an
Yeah.
exhilarating journey. It's an island, and it's a group of islands. I get to know when I just visited there. It's a group of islands. And there's few islands are very small, like
Yeah.
island. It's just 7 kilometers. The whole distance is 7 kilometers. So the wonders, nature is wonderful. The what to say? Mm, I'm not getting the picturesque landscape you will get to see there. So beautiful. Water is clear. You can see the fishes from the surface, colorful fishes, small octopuses, crabs, prawns. And as I'm biologist, I'm zoologist, so I really love
Yeah.
to see them when I was on the journey.
Okay. So did you participate in any activities like snorkeling and whatever
Yeah,
there?
I didn't know because I really afraid of these things. My husband and my kids, my young elder daughter, she did it. Scuba diving,
Yeah,
diving,
scuba diving.
and those
Okay.
motorbiking, and what to say,
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't get in the term for it. Yeah, but they are doing, they
Okay.
enjoy it a lot.
Okay. So you said that you're from UP,
Mm.
right? So can you talk to me more about your state? Like, would you like to share what is the culture over there or what is famous? Any food or any places, any festivals? Would you like to share?
So many things. Yeah, UP, Uttar Pradesh, especially the Banaras and Lucknow. These are the so beautiful places. And when one visit to Lucknow, one can say it's like they have just carved it so beautifully. Each and every place. There's so many places to visit. There are so many temples. And about Banaras, it's famous for ghats and temples. Baba Vishwanath Temple and this
Yes.
gullies and those beautiful vibes, temple vibes, and spiritual vibes are there. So I would say there are so many things. I'm not. It's like Allahabad, Prayagraj.
Yeah.
Prayagraj is also famous, world famous during Kumbh. It's like Sangam, Trivedi Sangam is there, and the old Shiva temple at Mankameshwar is the place in Allahabad, Prayagraj. There's so many things to explore because UP is not that small. It's a big state, big
Yeah.
one, populated one.
Yeah.
So
And like, what is the most famous festival that been celebrated over
yeah,
there?
in the local festivals, I wouldn't say, but Diwali and Durga Puja, I've seen people are just, yeah, holy. We all
Yeah.
celebrate like it's a
So right
music.
now, Durga Puja is in full swing in
Yeah,
UP.
yeah. And it's like full at the fullest place. Everybody is just celebrating it. Everybody is like, how much uh, blissful is this journey for them? I would say. It's really nice to see when the women in the morning they just with their puja plates and everything they just visit to temple at 5:30 at 4:30 and at that time
Right.
even we won't book up at that time.
Yeah, okay. Even I am from like West Bengal, where Durga Puja is a huge thing
West
over
Bengal is
here.
famous for that.
Yeah,
From there
exactly.
only it's spread in all over the India. Just like
Yeah, yeah,
Ganpati was initially it was confined to Maharashtra and
yeah.
after
Now
that
it's
now it's
celebrated.
the whole India. Yeah, and Durga Puja
Yes,
is from West Bengal, Kolkata.
yes, right. So, do you also participate in pujas or like?
Yeah, I just fast for like some people they're fasting for 9 days
Yeah.
and they do the puja in the morning and aarti in the evening.
Hmm.
But for me, it's like for first day and the last Ashtami. first one, the Prathama, say the Sthapna Divash, and the
Yes,
last one is the Ashtami or Navami. Navami,
yeah.
so we do the, what to say, Havan, we complete that, but Ashtami, I fast and do my puja.
Okay. Okay, so Rashmi, I see that you're already quite fluent. Like, I haven't found much mistakes in the last 15 minutes that we are having a conversation.
Mm,
So, I mean, I don't have anything much to correct. Just one thing in the very beginning, you
mm.
started your sentence with myself, which you then
Yeah,
later
yeah, yeah,
corrected yourself.
yeah.
Yeah, then you changed to I am.
Mm.
So that is the only mistake I have like wrote it down. So you can practice that and fix it.
Uh, Give
Like,
me some best tips, whatever you have found in your own journey when you just
okay,
like were consciously working on your English improvement
yeah.
journey. And then what were those tips and tricks what you want to share me?
Okay, the first and foremost I would like to say is that hearing others talk in
Mm,
English and then imitating those or copying those sentences really
mm,
helped me. When you listen others talk in English,
mm,
that plays in your mind. So you can do that by watching podcasts or movies like very easily, English movies with subtitles, right? Then comes vocabulary. Like, if
mm,
you don't know the meaning of a word, we don't need dictionaries anymore, right? We have mobile phones, we can just Google it up, anything that we want to know. And thirdly, if you're having any difficulty forming big sentences, that you can change by first making short sentences, 2 to 3 short sentences, and then try to join them together. So
okay.
instead of forming a big sentence, you can
Mm,
just make
make small.
short sentences, yeah,
Mm,
small sentences, and then join them together.
yeah, make them complex and compound sentence.
Yes, yes. So
Yeah.
you can definitely first think about what you want to say in your head. You can take a little pause, think
Mm.
about it, and then you start speaking. That way it gets really clear to even yourself and the person listening to you.
So somebody has told me you speak on very fast pace.
No,
Is it now because I have normalized myself. Initially, I
okay,
was like everything is in my mind. I just wanted to deliver everything because
okay,
initially I didn't know how to be like
yeah,
20 minutes, 10 minutes. You have to talk to anybody
yeah.
and have to take pauses and these things. But
Well, I think you're quite understandable. Like, I can easily understand what you're saying. I had a great conversation with you.
thank you so much, Rishi. Thank you.
Thank you for your time. I
Mm,
hope we will meet again if possible
yeah, yeah,
in this
sure.
session. Okay. Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much. Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much. It was a really wonderful, and because I think listening is itself a big talent, and you
Yeah,
people listen it, and then you just make
we are
questions.
just here to guide.
This is also a talent.
Yeah.
Maybe
Okay.
someday I would also manage to learn these tips and tricks.
Sure, sure.
Okay, bye.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice day.